everyone. This is Harshita from second year CSCA. So today I'll be going to speak about the topic flight reservation system, which is our DBMS block. So coming to the flight reservation system, it is very useful to book the flights. As you know, and nowadays flight reservation system, it has been a very, it is in a very top stage. So if we wanted to go somewhere which is out of the country, or if we wanted to travel from one metropolitan city to another city, then flight reservation system is very useful. So we thought of implementing this idea, the flight reservation system. So I'll be showing you and I'll be saying you each and every detail about the topic in detail. So coming to the flight reservation system, we will be having different tables. Like in flight reservation system of our core, we are having four tables. Those are customer tables and flight tables, flight details table, and flight bookings table. So these are the four tables which we have in our this block. So coming to the customers table. In the customers table, we will be taking passenger ID, and we will be even taking the user ID, passenger ID and user ID. We will be taking both of their IDs, and then even if they have a password, then even those password number. Okay. Tarvata passport number and date of birth, they both should not be null. In the flights table, we will be having the flight ID. After that, flight number, departure airport, arrival airport, and the timings, those all should be not null in the flight table. Coming to the details table is where we will be getting the details of flight ID, and you will be getting even the details of the flight number. Next, departure airport, arrival airport, departure time, arrival time, flight date, price, seats available, etc. Coming to the booking details. In booking details, you will be having your booking ID, passenger ID, flight ID, and number of seats, whether they are equal to zero or greater than zero, those also will be showing. And even it will be showing whether your seat, which you have booked, is pending or it has been completed. To avoid conflicts, so these all things we are implementing. Uh, so coming to the customers table, in the customers table, we will be giving the customer ID, their name, their email, their phone number, their address, their date of birth, gender, nationality, loyalty points. In the flights table, we gave the entities. Those are flight ID, flight number, airline number, departure airport, arrival airport, times of arrival and departure time, flight date, and price, seats available. Coming to the flight details, we have given flight ID, flight number, airline, departure airport, departure time, arrival time, flight date, price number, seats available, etc. Coming to the flight bookings, we gave registration ID, customer ID, flight ID, reservation date, reservation status, and foreign keys. We use two foreign keys. Those are reservation date and reservation status. Now we inserted data into the customers table. So as you can see, we inserted 10 records into each and every table. So these are the inserting commands, and this is our output. 10 rows are selected. So after insertion, now retrieving the data is nothing but select star from table name. So if you wanted to know what the data which is stored in the customers table, then you should click select star from customers, then you will be getting the output. Now I'll be showing the output for select star for customers. So if we want to know what inputs we gave in the customers table, then you should use select star from customers. 10 rows will be selected and this will be your output. If we want flights. What are the about flights table and what things are there in the flights table? Then select star from flights. Actually, my flight table is flights underscore flights. So I'll be specifying flight underscore flights, semicolon, etc. Then you will be getting 10 rows selected. So this is the way how we will retrieve the data. After that, this is the select command which is there, for joins. With using joins, we will be doing this select command. So no row selected. Uh, Now we inserted the data. Now we are going to see how we will delete the data and how to update the data. First, coming to updating the data, if we wanted to change one of the number, if we wanted to change customer ID. If we wanted to change the name of the customer ID to John Doe and phone number and his email, then you are going to give this command like update customer in customer table. Who is having customer ID one? You wanted to change their name, their phone number, and then their email. So you are going to write this query: update customers. Set first name John Doe, phone number, and email where customer ID is equals to 1. Then immediately you will be getting the table where the records are updated. Now if we wanted to delete the records, now delete from customers where customer ID is equals to 1, you will be executing this. After you execute, then you will be shown this one. I will be